Hello everyone, this is Teague from ServicePro.com, and today we're going to go over how to change an outlet. Now the first thing you need to do is go to your breaker box and turn off the breaker that powers the outlet that you're working on. Now if you don't know which breaker it is, I recommend turning off the main breaker to the house. It will be usually located on the top of the box. When you open it up, it'll say 100 amp or 200 amp. Older houses, sometimes it's a pull down switch, pull down lever, and turn off the electricity that way. Now you go over to the box, and I recommend double checking, making sure that there's no power going to the outlet that you're working on by using a multimeter. You attach one end of the multimeter to the black and the other one to the white, and it'll tell you if there's any voltage. Once you know there's no power going to the outlet, you can begin to work on it. Let me just give you an overview. Now the white is the negative, and it goes to the silver screw. As you can see, that screw is silver. Black is the positive, or the hot wire, and on this outlet the screw is actually black, but on a lot of other ones, like a standard outlet like I have here, you'll see that it's brass. This is a standard grounded outlet. This is a special one. It has a little night light that turns on and off. And you have the ground, which is going to go to the green, which is just basically the copper wire right here. Basically, all you want to do is connect your black to the brass and your negative, which is the white wire, to the silver, and then the ground to the green. It's as simple as that. Like I said, the most important thing is to make sure that there's no power going to the outlet. Now, if you're working on 120 volts, homeowners, I recommend, as long as you know what you're doing, you can work on it. 220 for like ovens and dryers and all that, I recommend calling a professional. So if you take a look at this, you see how it's all set up, and it's fairly easy once you know which wires are what. And one thing to keep in mind is that in order for it to work, you gotta have a complete circuit. In other words, the black is bringing the power in, and then the white is taken away, which is the negative, and then you have your ground. Alright, for more do-it-yourself videos, articles, and tips, please visit my website, ServicePro.com, and you could also find us on Facebook and Twitter. Thank you.